loosen up the cervical spine a little bit. It's going to feel a little funky. All right? Turn a little more to the right if you can, and look up just a little bit. That's cool. Good. Look straight ahead. Just relax your shoulders a little bit. That's it. It's going to gently tap. So all I'm trying to do is just trying to loosen up your shoulders, the joints, and also the joints inside your neck as well. Right before I go ahead and adjust you. Sometimes we get a little stuck, a little rusty. Yeah. And you'll see, right, your muscles in the front are real tight, so you kind of your shoulders kind of go forward. They really should be back a little bit. So what happens is sometimes you get a little jammed up inside there. So you went to North Bergen High?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Graduated in 09.
Yeah. Good. Look straight ahead. Just relax nice and easy. Good. Good. And so where's permanent home right now?
Norfolk, Virginia.
Yeah, Virginia.
Well, I live in Virginia Beach, but that's where my duty station's at, Norfolk.
Yeah, I like Virginia.
Surprisingly, I like it. I didn't think I was going to.
Yeah, a lot of people like it. Look straight ahead. Cool. Now with this arm, I want you to go like that for a second. With that arm. I'm going to ask you to pull your elbow back in a second, all right? In a second. Pull it back and relax. Let's try the other side. Let's try the other side. We'll try to do the same way. Give me a second. Hold on. Hold on a second. Pull it back and relax. All right? Yeah, it's a little tight inside there. Let me try doing it differently. Relax your arm. Just let it drop. I'm just going to basically come in nice and easy. The shoulder. Let the shoulder just drop. Just relax. Just going to try to adjust your shoulder. And just relax. Easy. Good. Good. Let's try the other side. Just let it drop nice and easy. Just going to come in like this. A little bit more. That was me, actually. That was me. That was me. Yeah, that was me. All right. And relax your arm a little bit. Good. Just relax. Come try to loosen up your joints in your hands and your elbow. Good. I'm not going to force anything. I'm just going to go real easy. Just relax here. Good. All right, so let's take your leg, put it right over here, right leg here, left leg there, sitting facing that way. We're going to do a little twist on the body. Move forward a little more. Cool. We'll bring this arm across the chest, the other one comes underneath. We're going to twist to the left a little bit, just to open up the spine a little bit. We'll come right inside here. So we're going to breathe in, breathe out, and turn to the left, turn your head to the left. Good. There we go. Now bring this underneath. The other way, and then turn to the right. Breathe in again real deep, all the way out. Just kind of let that go a little bit. Turn your head to the right. Good. That was easy. Good. Relax your hands. All right. So now I want you to slide your butt back just till you touch the pad, okay? Okay. That's cool. Going to cross your arms like this. And this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you I'm going to lean you back, all right? So keep your head tucked in. And when I lean your head back, right, when I lean you back, just keep your head tucked the whole time. We're going to try to move this area right inside your spine. Okay. Breathing really deep, all the way out. Keep your head tucked and relax. Come back again. We do it one more time. Breathe in, all the way out. Let it go. Good. Come back up. Excellent.
Oh, that was the spot right
yep.
there.
Just like that. Slide down just a drop. Right there's cool. Relax the hands. Just going to raise this a little bit. And I'm going to bring up the legs a little bit. Measure you up here. Okay, that right leg's a little bit short. Just relax here. Okay. You're going to feel a little tap on your lower back like that, okay? But that's not going to hurt. So what I want you to do first is lift this leg straight up if you don't mind. Come right back down. Cool, just like that. Just going to do a gentle tap. You like that?
Cool. Yeah.
Good. Raise this leg one more time. That's a little better. Cool. Bring it back down. Relax. Just going to come in. Awesome. Let's take the other side, do the same thing, straight up, and right back down. Awesome. Just gonna do a little chop. That's it. And just relax, nice and easy. Just gonna. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna gently tap inside here a little bit. Good. You all right?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Excellent. Okay. All right, you're gonna feel this table. It's gonna drop like that. It's not gonna hurt. Just loosening up these SI joints. Good. Here as well. Good. Just want you to breathe in really deep. All the way out. Just relax a little more. Good. Good. Okay. I'm going to lean your head to the side nice and easily. I just want you to focus on your breath. Just breathe nice and easy. Okay, that's all I want you to do. Just going to gently bring you to the side in here, a little bit more, and just relax. Good. All right. All right, we do the other side same way. Just need you to relax, breathe easy. Nice and easy. Sorry, my hand's a little cold.
You're good.
There we go. Good. One last time. Just breathe in. All the way out. Let it go. Awesome. Nice. Cool. I want you to come lay down right on your back, face up, please. I want you to squeeze your knees together hard. Good. Bring this one down now and just relax this leg. All right, relax this leg. Let it drop down to the side. It's just going to stretch out your hip joint a little bit. Good. It's going to come here. So raise the leg a little bit, stretch out the hamstring a bit. Good. A little tight in there. Good. Let it drop. Just relax. So just relax your leg, breathe nice and easy. I'm just going to gently adjust the ankle and the hip joint. Just like that. That's all I'm going to do. All right, same thing here. Just relax the knee. Good. Let it drop down to the side. Good. Come right back here. Just relax easy. Just going to open up the hip and the ankle joint a little bit. Just like that. Good. Cool. Slide it towards me. Just a drop. Just a drop. Cool. Hands right there. Just relax. Just focus on your breath. Promise I won't mess up the hair.
I think I might be the only person with a mullet. A nose burger right now.
That's a mullet? No,
yeah.
That's not a mullet. Is it?
It's in the growing stages right now.
Yeah, okay.
So.
All right.
It's like a staple back home.
Mullet's a look where I live.
This is in the
It's a
front,
look.
party in the back.
Yeah. All right, I'm just going to put a gentle stretch inside here. Okay. Just kind of breathe easy. Focus on your breathing. Just going to stretch. We're going to do a little adjustment inside the neck area. Good. That's a little tight. Just kind of let that go. A little bit more. Good. Come back. Nice. Okay, we're going to do one more right there. Same thing. Just focus on your breathing. Nice and easy. Good. Stretch. Good. Just relax. A little bit more. Just let it drop. A little bit more. Right there. Good. Yep. And the feel.
That's good,
Pretty
huh?
good, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Come and sit up nice and easy. 1, 2, 3. Legs over there. Almost done.
Feel like a new man.
Almost done. Yeah, that was a great adjustment. Let's give you a little taste of it. Let's see what it's all about. Got some in here.
Right here.
Nice. Great hair. Yeah, I don't know if mullets are a look around here.
Oh
But I know where I am in Pennsylvania. Yeah, it's a look.
That's the thing.
That's the thing, man.
It's like a rite of passage back home to get the mullet.
It is.
To get mine.
Yeah, wow. I like that.
Just gonna run 10 miles.
Pretty good, right?
Yeah.
All right. If you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel. I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what, I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.